Have you ever seen a dancing baby video and wondered, how did they do that? How was the baby able to dance so perfectly to the rhythm of trending music? And what if I told you that you can create a cute, viral dancing baby video using AI without paying anything and without using complicated tools? If you've been wondering what easy content you can make in this new faceless content era and actually make money online, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. These dancing baby videos are going viral, especially on TikTok, with millions of views, and creators are cashing out big time. So if you want a simple, beginner-friendly content idea that actually works and has real monetization potential, this is for you. Hi, my name is Newly, and in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn a simple image into a beautiful AI dancing baby video that instantly grabs attention on social media. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get straight into it. The first process of creating this viral baby dancing video is creating the baby photo, and I'll be showing you two methods. The first method is to go to TikTok or any other social media platform and search for viral baby dance or baby viral dance. Scroll through the videos and pick any baby photo you like. Okay, let me try viral baby dance instead. I'll scroll through. I think I like this one, so I'll click on it. As she's dancing, pause the video at a good position, take a screenshot of her, and then crop it so only the baby is in the photo, without any icons or overlays. Now head over to ChatGPT. Click the plus icon, select Photo, choose the screenshot we just took, and upload it here. Then paste this prompt. Create a new baby inspired by the uploaded image but clearly different. Change the hairstyle, outfit, and overall look while keeping a cute baby appearance. The baby should have a unique face, different clothing style, and a fresh design that does not copy the original image. You can also include adorable eyes. Feel free to customize however you prefer. Also, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're posting on TikTok. Then hit send. It starts generating and here is the image. So cool. You can see we now have a totally unique original baby photo. However, I noticed the image doesn't show her legs, which we need because she'll be dancing. So click where it says Describe Edits, type Can you give me a full portrait? Then click the send arrow. Now it's generated a full baby photo. So adorable. You can also see another one I generated from the same photo. Using this method, you can generate different babies and turn them into dancing babies that can go viral on social media. So cool. So the second method of generating babies is using these prompts I've crafted for you. Just copy any of them and paste them into ChatGPT, and it will generate adorable babies like this. You can then customize them however you want. You'll find the prompts in this video description. So the next step before we animate the baby photo is to go back to TikTok or any social media platform you prefer and search for a trending dance step you love and want your photo to dance to. It can be a baby video, an adult video, anyone you prefer. I think I loved this dance step, so I'll click on it, then click this icon and download it. It will automatically download to your phone. Finally, go to any browser of your choice and type one.video. This one. Click on it, and it will bring you to this interface. If you are using a mobile phone, click this three-dot icon and switch it to desktop mode. Now come over here and click Avatar. Try now. It will take you to the sign up page. Sign in or sign up using your Gmail or email, and it will bring you to this interface. These are some videos I've generated already, although yours will be blank. So now come down here and click on this icon and make sure it's set to Photo Animate. Click on Character and you'll see these two options. Click Upload from Device and select any of the photo we just generated. I'll select this one. Next, click Video, then upload the video we downloaded earlier. Once it uploads here, click Confirm. It will start generating. Normally, it takes a while on the free version, but trust me, it's definitely worth the wait. It's done generating. Because of copyright issues, I'll mute the music while we preview it. This is so cool! You can see how it copied the exact dance steps from the video we uploaded. Finally, you can click here to download it with the music and upload it to TikTok. For removing the watermark, you can watch this video and follow the steps. So this is how to create dancing babies with AI. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.